Audio Jungle.
The crisis of Fukushima, visualized. What about Fukushima? The nuclear power plant at Fukushima underwent a great deal of damage in 2011 due to an earthquake and a tsunami. The damaged fuel pool in reactor number 4 and a lack of water in the pool could mean that the 1,000 plus rods of fuel, which contain deadly plutonium, would heat up, catch fire, and emit radiation. What about reactors number 1, 2, and 3? While the reactor number 4 was offline when the tsunami struck, that was not true with reactors 1, 2, and 3. Since the disaster, no human has been inside of reactor number 3 because the radiation is still far too high. Authorities have no reply about how long it will be till reactors 1, 2, and 3 could be dismantled, nor where the melted reactor cores are. Fukushima versus Chernobyl. Chernobyl's first 1986 fallout reached California within 10 days. Fukushima's in 2011 arrived in less than a week. Reaching United States. Ocean simulations showed that the plume of radioactive cesium-137 could reach the U.S. in early 2014 and peak in 2016. The majority of it will get stuck in the northern Pacific Gyra, a portion of the ocean that circulates clockwise. Consequences we are already facing. 300 tons of radioactive water from Fukushima is entering the Pacific Ocean every day. We fear As computer-guided removal is not possible, it is essential that manual removal of each of the 1,000 plus rods is done 100% perfectly. This has never been attempted before. If a fuel rod is dropped, breaks, or becomes entangled while being removed, it would release 85 times as much radioactive cesium into the air as was released at Chernobyl. It could spew out more than 15,000 times as much radiation as was released at Hiroshima. Latest news. In the next few weeks, engineers are preparing to extract the first fuel rods from inside of reactor number 4. In the meantime, reactor number 4 is gradually sinking, and the entire structure is very likely on the verge of a complete collapse. How to strengthen our immune systems. It's essential to ensure you are receiving a form of nascent iodine that can both be utilized by your body and is free of dangerous additives. Conclusion. This isn't only about Japan. This is a disaster that is planetary in scope, and sadly, one of many. Where does it stop? The crisis of Fukushima.